Hyperpigmentation is darkening of certain areas of the skin. Some have it around their mouth and some have it on their cheeks and on their forehead. I had it on my mouth, and after using the skincare routine, after using the skincare products, my pigmentation around my mouth is barely visible now. And that is why I thought I should definitely share this skincare routine with you guys. This particular skincare routine helps you to get rid of dark patches and dark spots that is caused by excess melanin production. Hyperpigmentation occurs due to the overproduction of melanin. It can be triggered by several factors like sun exposure, hormonal changes like pregnancy and childbirth, inflammation, skin injuries, and certain medications. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. So the first step is using a toner. After cleansing your face with your regular cleanser, apply a toner. PHA toner controls hyperpigmentation by removing the pigmented cells. It encourages the skin's natural renewal process. I'm using the Minimalist PHA Toner. Pour 5 drops of the PHA toner on your palms, spread it and press it against your skin. PHA is a gentle exfoliation which can be used every day even for sensitive skin. The second step is to use a serum. I use the Alpha Arbutin serum. Alpha Arbutin prohibits the production of melanin, thus lightening the dark spots and dark patches. This one is again from the Minimalist. Alpha Arbutin prohibits the production of excess melanin, thus helping to lighten dark spots and even out skin tone. It minimizes sunburn, sunspots, tan, and reverses sun damage. Take a few drops and apply it all over your face. After letting the serum dry for a few minutes, which take us to the third step, that is using a moisturizer. I use the Plum's Niacinamide moisturizer. I take the Plum's Niacinamide moisturizer. Niacinamide stimulates collagen production, improving skin elasticity and texture, which indirectly help in reducing the appearance of pigmentation. It also protects the skin from sun damage. When niacinamide combines with alpha arbutin, it works the best to reduce hyperpigmentation, and it shows results in just 2 months. Last step is to use a sunscreen. Because we are using acids on our face like niacinamide and alpha arbutin, it is very important to use a sunscreen because those acids can make our skin more sensitive to the sun. So we need to use a broad spectrum sunscreen of at least SPF 50 to protect our skin from further pigmentation. I have got 2 options for you. If you have oily skin, choose Foxtale Matte Sunscreen, which is a super matte sunscreen with no white cast and no greasiness. If you have dry skin, use Foxtale Dewy Sunscreen, which gives a glowy, dewy look. Applying sunscreen is very important because it makes the hyperpigmentation not to increase. If you have oily skin, use the Foxtale's matte sunscreen, which gives you the ultimate matte finish without any greasiness and no white cast. If you have dry skin, use the Foxtale's Dewy sunscreen, which gives you a dewy, glowy look. I have an oily skin, and for my skin I use the matte version. If you want to know more about the Foxtale's sunscreen or any other Foxtale products, I will leave the link in the I button or on the description. Do check it out. So with that, we finish our skincare routine, but twice a week before going to sleep, I apply glycolic acid serum. Glycolic acid is an AHA acid that is effective in treating hyperpigmentation. It works as an exfoliant by removing dead skin cells from the surface of the skin, promoting cellular turnover and helping to fight hyperpigmentation. So twice a week before going to sleep, wash your face and just apply the glycolic mask and go to sleep. This can be done only twice a week. Glycolic is an AHA acid which acts as a chemical exfoliant. This skincare routine can be done both in the day and night time. Just skip the sunscreen part during the night time and use glycolic mask twice a week. This skincare routine for pigmentation is suitable for all skin types, but if you have sensitive skin, make sure to do a patch test. Do follow this skincare routine for at least 2 months to see visible results. I personally used these skincare products to get rid of my pigmentation. I hope this skincare routine will also help you to get rid of hyperpigmentation. This is my personal honest skincare routine that I was using before to get rid of my hyperpigmentation. It worked, so that is why I'm sharing this video with you guys. Thank you so much for joining in this video. Do like and subscribe to my channel, and also share this video with your friends and family so that it will be useful for them too. I will leave the links in the description box. All of these products are affordable, not about rupees 500. Definitely you can get these products below 500 and at a much more reduced price during the sale time. Don't forget to subscribe for more Beauty Made Easy awesomeness. Take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.